Hey, good evening, motorcycle enthusiasts all around the world. What is going on? I gave these all a nice wash on both sides. Looking really good. We got the 86. Remember how dusty and primarily dusty. It wasn't full of dirt or nothing, but it's a little dirty, a little greasy in certain areas. I gave it a good WD soak and then used my air gun on it and just get the WD-40 worked into all the crevices, and does a really nice job cleaning it. I rarely take a hose or a power washer to a motorcycle, but it's just the way I like to do it. They don't really get that dirty that you need, a power washer. But anyways, everyone is different. Every bike is different. Every situation is different. So I'll show you what's going on here. It's looking pretty clean, man. I might hit this again. I got in there as far as I could. Real nice. Undersides. If you hit that with some WD-40, I'll show you how it, where it's really greasy, you kind of work it. And then you can it's an amazing degreaser, that stuff. So you know what I mean? You can take that a lot further. So just showing you. So that's what we got going on. It's looking pretty sharp. What else we got going on? Well, before we do that, I'll show you these guys in here. These are looking pretty sharp as well. There's that one I painted. I'm liking it more than the other one. Yeah, it's got some scratches on it, but and I used satin black. This one's nice and straight. It's really nice. I don't know. We'll see which one I'm going to use as the Primo. There's your license plate holders. And then there's the nice signal cage. So, coming together real nice. Hey Chicha, what's going on? So, here's something that I got a few days ago. I never really remember to open it. Gotta be careful here. Oh man, this is nice. That is really nice. What do we got here? Conti Go. Interesting. Conti Go. It's a Continental or Conti Go. Nice Continental tire. Nice and soft. Yeah, very, very nice. I'll show you the size. 110, 80, 18. 110, 80, 18. That is the original size for first generation GSXR1100 from 86 to 88. So yeah, I got this on the classifieds. The thing with this is 18-inch wheels now are very hard to find. 18-inch tires are very hard to find, so I got a very, very good price for it, and I'm really happy. So that's it. That is it. Here's our last little walk around. I don't know if you guys can see the sheen on that, but it's shining. Yes, sir. Just beauty. Just beauty. I have to clean and polish the rear muffler on it, the silencer. I'm going to work on that sometime soon. And that's it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.